Now all set, now ready to race, and the race is on. Deputy Stravinsky, Tailwind, Mint City. Down on the inside, rushing up Sadar. Tailwind, Mint City, Sadar, Deputy Stravinsky, Flores, Sombran Las. In the middle, Tatarat, Take Me Tonight, and King Manjo. This the early trailer. Tailwind, followed by Sadar. Mint City is running in between runners, passing the half-mile post. Mint City by ahead. Sadar Danori inside Tailwind. Deputy Stravinsky racing in forward by some 7 lengths. Sombran Las is running Danori inside. Mint City this time by 3/4 of a length. Tailwind. Sadar is running down on the inside as they race the last 500. Mint City this time by about 2 lengths now. Sadar in second as they race the final corner. Mint City number 7 by some 3 lengths. Sadar is running in second. Home run last Danori inside. And rushing up is Tatara. And nearing the finish line, Mint City. Tatara is on the outside. But still, Mint City, the icebreaker. Followed by Tatara, Flores, Take Me Tonight. And for your Fentafecta, close between Home Run Last and Sadar.
Okay.